再去看世界来看世界的经典文学作品《小王子》。当时作者本人又有保存伊的手稿，因为这份手稿伫11月底时是以美金125万，差不多代表400-4000万拍卖出去。
已经拢黄记纸顶头有草绘草图加修正的分量。这是世界有名的《小王子》这本书已经知影3份拍离果内面，由作者圣修伯里家己保留的唯一的一份。今年这份正罕见的拍离果，被英国伦敦一间珍宝专卖店买去，按算伫11月底开幕的阿布达比艺术博览会题赛卖，已经花到125万美金。
This one is the one which he very clearly kept and was working on and adding his corrections and doodles in the margins and in the cover, and so it's unlike the other two, which were given to people. This one he very clearly kept, and it was his own working copy of the typescript. So that's what makes it extra special.
小王子这本书已经翻译超过250种语言。故事是讲，来自外星球的金头毛的小王子，甲一个伫咧沙漠内面拄到的飞行员，讲起生在旅行的代志。伫即马现存的2份拍离果，分别是法国国家图书馆甲德州大学收藏，有亲笔签名的手稿是伫咧纽约。自相讲，即马要提出来卖的法文拍离果，伊方面是黑色的。 是作者流亡美国期间伫咧纽约写的，也是《小王子》这本书第一遍用纸的形式出现。
In the typewritten version, he's still playing with this idea of, what's important is that which you cannot see. And for years he was actually sort of turning this phrase over and over in his head, backwards and forwards. But it's only in this copy of the typescript that he finally makes the breakthrough and writes out with his hand, on voit bien qu'avec le cœur.
伫即马要提出来卖拍离果内面，除了有200元素的鉛笔的草图，一个要被删除的几落大字，同时也有一张法国空军制服的支票，有可能是圣伯修理自纽约登去战场进前所买的。自相强调，这种顶级的珍本伫国际市场正罕见。 普通的手稿也正罕的卖超过100万美金。这份拍离果将会甲法国文化部颁予作者的护照，最终提出来卖，有可能会予博物馆或者是阿拉伯的私人收藏家买去。公司新闻牛眼编译。